All right, hello and good morning. We're just doing a worksheet C today. And let's go over this bell work here. Now don't forget that homework is due from today till Sunday. No late work. Use one file and upload all 3 worksheets with the work, okay? And do that in Canvas. All right, let's take a look here. We have to find the slope. Well, the slope, remember it's xy, xy. Write that down. And your y's go at the top. So what I suggest, and I'd like to see you do this, so when I grade your paper, you should have exactly what I have here. Now you're going to put your y's at the top. So it's going to be a -7 and a -4. Now some of you are not putting double negatives when you need to, so you need to be careful with that. A -7 plus 4 is a -3. Down here on your x's, you're going to put a -5 and a -2. This becomes a plus, so that gives you also a -3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. A double negative here is a plus, and there's your slope. If you want to make it a fraction, just put a 1 under it. Rise over run. And that's how you do slope. All right, look at the next one. The next one, to find the slope, you got to get y by itself. So draw a line and circle the y. You want to add 3x to both sides. So you're going to get -4y is equal to 3x minus 16. And then divide by -4. And when you divide, this is your slope in front of the x. Okay, so y is equal to, I like my negative at the top. And then this becomes a +4. Here's your slope right here. And that's all I'm looking for today. All right, let's take a look at the next one. The next one, x equals -1. Well, draw a graph. This is your x, this is your y. Go to -1. Put a tick mark, don't put a dot. So the line looks like this. Every vertical line is undefined slope. There's no definition for it. So undefined slope. Let's try one more. This one right here, draw a graph. And here's your y, so go down 1. Again, put a little slash, tick mark rather than a dot. So this line looks like this. Any flat line has a 0 slope, so 0 slope. Okay? There it is. Now today you have a worksheet, and your worksheet's going to look like this. Okay, so when you do your worksheet today, all right, and I want the whole worksheet, I want you to label the points, okay, and it's going to say worksheet C. Let me see if I can grab your copy so you see what it looks like. So you have 3 worksheets to turn in for this week, and yours is going to look like this, okay? So what I want you to do is show the points and show the work. So like this point, remember every point is over and then up or down. Write that down. Over and then up or down. You start from where the origin is in the middle. So this one you're going to go over to the left 1, so that would be a -1. And then this one you go down 1, so that would be a -1. So that point is right there. This point, however, you start at the origin, you go to the right 2, and then down 2. So right is a positive and down is a negative. And then you use your formula, just like this. And that's how I want to see your work for all of these. Okay? All right, if you have a question, ask. Remember, every point is over and then up or down. Okay? So right or left, and then up or down. All right, have a good morning.